What's happening, guys? Mathieu here. In today's episode we are touring a beautiful mid-century modern in situ site. If you don't know where situ site is, we're about 15 to 20 minutes to downtown, kind of right in the middle point between highway 80 and highway 50, and about 15 minutes to Roseville, 15 minutes to Folsom, and about 10 minutes to the old Fair Oaks area. So a very cool area to check it out. I'm doing a video tour for a client of mine. They are based in LA. They want to move up here to Sacramento, so I'm doing a little video tour for them of this beautiful mid-century by the Streng Brothers, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, currently on the market for $625. Thank you for the listing agent telling me to tour this property today. Let's go for the tour. Hey, if it's the first time to the channel, if you're just tuning in, if you want to know everything there is to know about Sacramento and the Sacramento area, like this beautiful mid-century modern here in Sacramento in situ site, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you too can be the first to learn about what Sacramento has to offer. My name is Mathieu. I am a local licensed real estate agent here for the state of California. Let me tell you, I'm getting phone calls, emails, and texts of people just like you every single day. They want to move into Sacramento, and I'm very happy to have them out. So whether you want to move in 9 days or 90 days, feel free to reach out, email me, call me, text me. My phone number is on the screen. And without further ado, let's go through the tour of this beautiful mid-century modern here in situ site. Alright, so if you knew a little bit about the channels, we tour some of the properties already over there. The entire neighborhood here is a mid-century modern mecca with the Streng Brothers. We at the end of the courtyard here. We have another mid-century on the side here. So this one we're going to tour is currently on the market for $625. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. This can be converted into a 2-car garage fairly easily, in my opinion. Probably a wall will separate and create a nice hallway to get you into the interior of the house, and you have your 2-car door in the entrance here. Very nice. So probably original door to the house. Like all the mid-century, you have the great connection between the outdoor and indoor. Right at the entrance, we're gonna notice the wall of windows that bring you the outside in or the inside out. Very nice connection with your backyard. We have the kitchen, dining room, and living room. We're gonna start with the living room space. Little fireplace, the wood burning fireplace. I will probably do a conversion with a gas insert if possible. TV on the wall. So nice little ceiling and cozy area for your living room. And if you just pan out just a little bit, you get into your dining room and kitchen in the backdrop here. Kitchen, dining room area set up for 6 people. A great little space here. Love these nice fixtures. It fit very well with the decor of this mid-century modern here. And we're getting into the kitchen area. So you have your big island, 3-seaters, 4-seaters can fit beautifully in the front of it. Nice deep form sink right in the middle. You have a 6-burner monogram, the old school but still GE monogram here, and the wood vents. Nice and functional, not a big kitchen, but for the amount of space and amount is extremely functional kitchen. So all your appliances, your 6-burner, your oven, your microwave, and your fridge, very accessible. Your dishwasher under the counter in the island here. Continue here, we have the washer and the dryer, side-by-side washer and dryer. We're going to turn around, continue exploring the rest of the house. A nice closet here for more accessible storage. Here you have your furnace here, a little bit older. We'll have it check it out just in case. Double sink vanity for your guest bathroom and your standard shower tub combo here. Great for your guests, very simple, functional. We have 3 bedrooms in this house, so this one will be the first one right here. This bedroom, it's a queen size bed, probably an office would be good as well. Love this hardwood floor on the ground here. continue on with the tour. The second bedroom would be an office. Great for an office, or could have one, could be a gym. The second one could be an office. Working from home would be great. Getting into the master suite. Master suite has this typical triangular shape, windows at the top to bring natural light in. Always this exposed beam with the Streng Brothers. And because it's a master, this one has its own ensuite. Same vanities we saw in the guest bathroom in a hallway. And we have a walk-in shower that is decently upgraded. Probably needs some touch up here and there, but overall it's in a pretty good shape. Let's explore the backyard together. To access to the backyard, you have access through one of these large bay windows, a sliding door, and very peaceful. In the back of it, you have another mid-century modern, another mid-century, another mid-century. The pool needs some work, needs some resurfacing. It looks like it's losing water. The pump is running right here, and you can see the water line below the cover here. The pool needs some work. You need probably a full resurfacing and a full overhaul. Make sure you don't lose any water. It's a great pool. It's a big depth here. Great for the summer we have in Sacramento. And a lovely backyard. I love this mini tiki bar. Well, it looks like a little tiki bar here in a backyard. Great for entertaining. You can have your sauna, maybe a jacuzzi here. That would be ideal. Little space for this backyard. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video tour. If you have any question about this property, all the listing information is in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. And if you want to see something else, pick one of these two video tours. I hope you enjoyed this video tour, and we'll see you at the next one. See ya.